Welcome back to Fixing Cars with 15th Street Automotive. Our next car is a 2012 GMC Acadia with a 3.6. It has a clunk when you accelerate and a clunk when it shifts hard. So we're going to take a look at that and get to the bottom of it. Yeah, you can feel that clunk right there as soon as you just accelerate. A little bit of clunk. Clunk, clunk. That's with it in drive. In reverse, don't feel it at all. So let's pop the hood and take a look. Pull this cover off so we can take a closer look at that now. So the torque strut mounter that I suspect is right in here. Alright, so now I'm going to put it in drive and do a little power brake. Watch that torque strut. It's right in there. Alright, so this torque strut sits right down in there, so we need to get rid of this box here. Yeah, this is a battery cable, so we need to make sure we insulate it pretty well so we don't arc it out. So we're just going to wrap it in a rag, put a little tape over it. That'll prevent us from having to reset all the memory if we disconnect the battery. This plate, its sole purpose in life is to hold the circuit box there, the junction box. So it just attaches there, there, and there. Pull that out. And we have sweet access to the torque strut. So there's a close-up of the torque strut here. You see it, and it's all broken out right in this area here. Right in there. Right in there, it's all broken out. So we will pull that out, put the new one in. There we go. So as you can see, the inner side of that is just broken out, completely broken out. So as the engine torqued, this thing just sat there and bounced. So here's our new strut. See all the rubbers in place there. So this will fit in there just like this. And tighten everything back up again. There's the new strut back in place. So now we just got to reassemble. We'll be back to normal. Call that one a fix. We'll see you down the road.